Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Type c : then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c : / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.